Guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one withdrawal proof of the website I shared with you in the past videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free earning website, and let's get started. This is the website. This website link available in description. You can see I have this much tokens in this website, and I come down to first of all I go to withdraw to share with you the withdrawal proof. How much this website pay me? Okay, every 1 cent, if every 10 coin tokens is 10 cents. Okay, and you can see I have this much cents on USDT. First of all, I go to my faucetpay to copy the withdraw wallet address of the USDT to I can withdraw my amount like a USDT. Okay, I came down in this website and paste my wallet address in here and just I click withdraw. This website pay me instantly to my faucetpay. I go to my faucetpay, go to overview and come down, and I didn't receive my USDT for right now. Maybe this will be take some times to for withdrawal. Okay, now you can see this will have a pending. This website is a light website. I see a lot of people make money from this website, and maybe this website pay my withdrawal after 1 hour or 2 hours. I will be share with you the payment I just received the payment. Okay, thanks for watching guys, and this website pay you much more amount of the Bitcoin and much more amount of the money. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on website, and bye bye for now.